Hey everybody, forgive me for the way I look, but I've just been chilling out with a couple Havanese. Well, we haven't moved yet. Their favorite thing is carrots. Look at this. I can't believe what they'll do. Oh, here they come. Hi. You guys want your carrots? Yeah? Okay. You need to sit down. Mikey, sit. Gotta give little Mikey the tiny ones because he has 2 teeth. There you go. Sadie, come here. And look at this. Sadie would not take anything from my hands for the first 3 days I was here. But yeah, that's their favorite treat.